Kanino po nang galing? Sino po ang proponent nun?
May mga proponent po na galing po sa mga senators.
Sino nga po at sino po ang nagpas? Sino yung proponent at sino yung nagpasya? Dahil yun po ang gagawin natin ngayon sa plenaryo, hindi po ba? I mean, again, we want transparency, Your Honor, right? So we have to put it on the record.
Yeah. Well,
the whole changes involved in the committee report is about, according to you, 326 billion. So isn't it just proper and right that we know who the proponents are of these proposals?
marami ho kasing mga proposals pinapadala ho sa amin in writing.
Chairman, ulitin ko po ulit. Mr. President, I'm sorry. Wala naman po problema eh. Ang tanong ko po, nakasulat po ba yan sa maski na sa ang transparency portal na nilabas ninyo kung kanino nang galing yung mga proposal na nilagay sa committee report ng Committee on Finance at sino po yung nag-approve?
Nag-uusapan naman ho doon.
Again, agreed, Mr. President. We have no debate there. The point is, although it's collated, although it's compiled, is it found anywhere?
It's in, hindi ho namin in-upload sa portal. If that is the question of His Honor.
Yes, so it's not in any portal.
With your permission, Mr. President.
Before I recognize Senator Escudero, the distinguished minority there may have a valid issue, no? Except that the proposition that the 11-day period of interpellations will not serve its purpose is wrong, because the basis for our individual amendments precisely are our interpellations. Thank you. Senator Escudero is recognized.
Mr. President, before that, that was why I asked a rhetorical question. Kasi kung individual lang, we could have gone straight. But that 11-day period, in my view, was to convince the other members na, oh, may consensus tayo dito. And I was hoping, pag may consensus on certain points, yung committee mag-amend. Why, Mr. President?
Correct.
Kasi pag yung committee nag-amend, malamang hindi matalo yon. Pero pag individual, baka matalo, not because hindi maganda, pero saan kukunin yung pera. But I think we agree, Mr. President. I'm just saying
I think we're on the same page, except
yes,
that to say na pointless yung 11-day period interpellations.
That's not an assertion. That's a rhetorical question na kung walang committee, does that mean? Thank you for that clarification.
Senator Escudero is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. With the indulgence of Senator Cayetano, our minority floor leader, nakasanayan po kasi natin na kapag may mga punto para mabawasan na yung debate, minsan yung chairman na lang ang nagpo-propose through the period of individual amendments nung mga amendment na pinanukala nung nagdedebate. Pero ngayon, ang proseso na gusto ng ating ginagalangan chairman ng Committee on Finance, lahat padaanin na sa period of individual amendments, doon ipasok at dito niya pagpapasahan kung tatanggapin niya o hindi. Tama po ba? At kung may contention, ayaw niya, pagbobotohan sa plenaryo. Pero ang tanong ko, nagalang-galang na chairman, in the interest of transparency, is it written in any portal who proposed the changes to the HGAB in the committee report? I'll give you an example. Out of the blue, yung Cagayan State University, pinroposa ng 77 million na dagdag. Pero yung katabi niya sa rehiyon na yun, Batanes State College, wala. May I ask, who proposed the 77 million increase? Is that in any of the portals that we have right now? Again, in the interest of transparency.
Actually, yung mga proposals, we took into consideration rin yung mga proposals ng mga agencies. Diba, as we always practice, mga agencies po magpapadala ho dito ng mga recommendations, what to increase, what to augment. So we consulted also with our vice chairman, we consulted also with the members through the technical working group. Kaya ho, nag-issue kami ng notice for the technical working group para doon natin mapag-usapan. In fact, si Senator JV was there, Senator Lauren was there.
Your Honor, is it your position that all of the proposed increases in the committee report were given by the agencies themselves?
Halos lahat po.
No. All or not all?
Halos lahat.
What about those that did not come from the agency? Kanino po nang galing? Sino po ang proponent nun?
May mga proponent po na galing po sa mga senators.
Sino nga po at sino po ang nagpas? Sino yung proponent at sino yung nagpasya? Dahil yun po ang gagawin natin ngayon sa plenaryo, hindi po ba? Ipo-propose sa floor, pagpapasyahan po ninyo. Kung hindi agree, pwedeng pagbotohan. So pwede po bang malaman, nakalagay po ba sa mas kinasaang transparency portal na ginawa natin, isa sa mga unang resolusyong pinasa natin, kaugnay sa budget, kung sino nag-propose individually nitong mga ito? Halimbawa po, I'll just pick at random, Your Honor. Yung 1 million increase ng Bureau of Treasury, agency? Proposal?
Yan po ay galing po sa unprogrammed funds at inilipat ho natin sa program.
Proposal po ba yan ng agency?
Proposal ho ng technical working group nung pinag-usapan ho.
Ano pong pangalan at address ni TWG? I mean, again, we want transparency, Your Honor, right? So we have to put it on the record.
Yeah. Well,
the whole changes involved in the committee report is about, according to you, 326 billion. So isn't it just proper and right that we know who the proponents are of these proposals?
marami ho kasing mga proposals pinapadala ho sa amin in writing. In iba ho ay tinatry ho natin ma-accommodate by finding sources. So lahat naman ho yan in writing pinapadala ho
Mr. Chairman, ulitin ko po ulit. Mr. President, I'm sorry. Wala naman pong problema eh. Ang tanong ko po, nakasulat po ba yan sa mas kinasaang transparency portal na nilabas ninyo kung kanino nang galing yung mga proposal na nilagay sa committee report ng Committee on Finance at sino po yung nag-approve? Hindi po pwedeng, alam mo yun, committee,
Nakuha po.
Opo. So, again, at random, I presume, the increase in the, I'm choosing at random, Your Honor, really. The increase in the Office of the President, same agency proposal?
Agency proposal ho yun. Agency
The increase in the OVP?
The restoration ho yan sa NEP. In-store ho natin
So,
sa
who
NEP.
proposed that? Did the agency propose that?
Actually, may proposal ho si Senator Go doon sa restoration of the NEP. In fact, he proposed to even add more.
No, that's the point I'm driving at, Your Honor. Again, given
So all
the
of
point,
this naman ho, mayroong mga records na pinapadala ho.
I agree,
At
Mr. President.
compile naman namin.
I agree, Mr. President. But
And
again,
then, during the technical working group, we go line by line also. Lahat po ng mga items, line by line, and pinag-uusapan ho doon kung sino nag-propose, kung ano pa, kung hindi ko kaya ma-accommodate, ano kung pwedeng i-accommodate, so pinag-uusapan naman ho doon.
again, agreed, Mr. President. We have no debate there. The point is, although it's collated, although it's compiled, is it found anywhere?
It's in, hindi ho namin in-upload sa portal, if that is the question of His Honor.
Yes. So it's not in any portal.
But lahat ho yan ay may basis and recorded.
Yes. Yes. I'm sure there is. I'm sure there is. Only that it's not in any portal.
No, hindi ho. Pero lahat ho yan naman ay recorded.
Just to cite a few more examples, which I'm sure are remembered by the good chairperson, yung in-increase po natin sa National Defense Agency proposal?
Yes. In fact, 90 billion ho ang request ho nila. All program. Because yung Mayowa nila na-exhaust na ho to 60 billion. Agency proposal through executive session.
I noticed po na yung adjusted NEP sa DPWH, tinanggal na yung flood control.
Yes.
And still, there was change of 38 billion. That's an agency proposal too?
Yes. May pinadala ho sila yung CMPD. But admittedly, the CMPD was applied across the board, which is admittedly also might have distortions in the pricing. I admit that.
So it's by way of errata, in other words.
Magpadala ho sila ng matrix ng CMPD. In fact, ang kanilang total computation is about 60 billion, but we couldn't find the 60 billion.
Yung sa Philippine Coast Guard agency proposal, Your Honor?
Yes, recommended by Senator JVR Cito.
Kulang din yun kasi mas malaki yung...
Yes, correct.
Malaki yun.
200 plus billion ho yun. Recommended by the vice chairs. And also some senators also recommended
During
themselves.
the
Si Senator
debates.
Ba, maraming recommendation
During
even
the
like
debates.
the vice chairs.
Yes, during the debates. I
And also
remember
the
that.
technical working group. Doon ho sila nag-recommend.
As a technical working group. I think just that, Mr. President, Your Honor. Again, for the interest of transparency, if you will be doing that with the individual, we might as well upload somewhere these amendments as contained in the committee report, which amounts to by far bigger amount. Again, amounting to about 326.
Yes,
Tama
we'll
ba?
take the suggestion of the former Senate President. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you, Mr. President. And thank you, Your Honor,
The Senate
just for
President
his
is recognized.
consideration.